recipe that I'm going to share with you today is chicken stir-fried with broccoli. Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, my cooking channel where I share home cooking recipes with you. This dish that I'm going to cook today, chicken stir-fried with broccoli, is a dish from the Chinese community of Malaysia. It is a dish which requires a few ingredients, but being a stir-fry, it is quick to make. Shall we proceed to my kitchen and start frying? For the chicken stir-fried with broccoli, I have here 275 grams of chicken that I sliced against the grain of the chicken. This means you cut across the fibers of the meat. The reason you cut across the grain is to shorten the fibers of the meat so it becomes tender and more juicy. I marinated this chicken breast with half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of cornflour, and set it aside for about half an hour. The next ingredient is 140 grams of broccoli that I cut into florets and microwaved for 1 minute. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 4 cloves of garlic also minced, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Finally, a sauce that is made out of 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. This is entirely optional, so you can leave it out. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, all mixed with half a cup of water. Shall we start cooking? Marilah kita masak. I've got the wok on a moderate flame. I'm going to add the oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Adding the ginger. Garlic goes in next. I fry it until both the garlic and the ginger become slightly brown. Now the chicken breast goes in next. I'm going to sear the chicken. And cook it I'll cook it for 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it over. Just toss the chicken pieces about. The flame is still at medium. So I'll leave it now to cook. It's been 4 minutes. I think the chicken has been cooked. So I'm going to reduce the flame to low and check whether the chicken is cooked. Chicken is cooked. I'll add the sauce now. I'll increase the fire to medium again and let the sauce come to a boil. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water so that we can have a bit of a gravy. The last thing to go in is the broccoli. I'm going to give it a quick, I'm going to up the heat to between between medium and high, and just give this a quick stir for about half a minute and turn off the fire. Chicken stir-fried with broccoli, a tasty dish from the Chinese community of Malaysia, best served with white rice. Now wasn't that quick cooking? And that is the thing about stir-fries. You can rustle up one in no time. Now, you are going to try this at home, aren't you? And when you do, please let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Your comments are important to me because they enable us to help each other on a culinary journey. Now, I am going to be here next Sunday at 8 a.m. and I hope that you are too. Until then, thank you, stay safe and bye.